Hello all, I am glad to share that three of the Paritranaya IAS Academy students have cracked the prestigious UPSC Civil Services, that is IAS Prelims exam. In this All India exam, which is considered to be one among the toughest in the world, close to 13 lakh plus aspirants appeared for this examination, and among them just 14,000 plus cleared this with a success rate of 1%. And the achievement of Paritranaya students in outperforming 13 lakh plus fellow aspirants is unparalleled with a record-breaking success rate of 30%. This success is a testimony to the Paritranaya's quality of delivery and winning strategy. Paritranaya IAS Academy wholeheartedly invites you to become part of this success journey. Join us today to emerge victorious in the most prestigious examination of the country at less than 1/4 the cost of Delhi. Admissions are already started and the seats are limited. Call now to reserve your seat.
This year, I have cleared IAS Prelims 2024. This is all because of Rajesh Biradar sir and Paritranaya IAS Academy.
Year I have cleared IAS prelims exam. This is all because of Rajesh Biradar sir, who really want to thank Rajesh Biradar sir and Paritranaya IAS Academy.